Turmeric milk, also known as golden milk or Haldi Doodh in India, is a traditional remedy that has been used for centuries for its potential health benefits. This warm and comforting beverage is made by combining milk with turmeric and often includes other ingredients, like black pepper, honey, or spices for added flavor and health benefits. Turmeric has been used historically to treat various ailments, and its inclusion in milk is just one of many traditional preparations. Turmeric milk is relatively simple to prepare. Here's a basic recipe. 1 cup of milk. You can use cow's milk, almond milk, or any other milk of your choice. Half teaspoon of ground turmeric. A pinch of black pepper, optional but recommended. A touch of honey or a sweetener of your choice, optional. A pinch of cinnamon or cardamom, optional for flavor. Instructions. Heat the milk in a saucepan over low to medium heat. Add the ground turmeric and black pepper to the milk. Stir the mixture continuously to prevent lumps and to ensure that the turmeric is evenly distributed. Simmer the mixture for about 5–10 minutes, allowing it to heat but not boil. Remove from heat and let it cool slightly. If desired, add honey or a sweetener for taste. You can also sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon or cardamom for extra flavor. Serve the turmeric milk warm. Thanks for watching.